Today I'm going to show you guys how to apply strip lashes. It's pretty easy, but I do know that a lot of people have complications. So we will be applying a pair of lashes from our line. This is in the style KYLIE. There's a glare. And I will be using our lash kit to do so. Okay, so lash curler, eyelash applicator tweezer, scissor to cut the band of the lash, and just regular tweezers. You can use that for like facial hair, unwanted facial hair, fixing your eyebrows or anything like that. So we'll be using our lash kit today to apply our strip lashes. This is what they look like. Again, this is the style KYLIE. You can get these lashes on our website at www.herfamaxwell.com. Okay, the glue that I use is hair glue. And the reason why I use hair glue is because I haven't found a lash glue that I like personally, and I'm trying to find something that I like, or trying to create something that I like so that I can add it to our line, because I have such a difficult time finding a lash adhesive that I do like. So I typically just use hair glue. So what I do is take the lashes off, and I'm going to kind of just measure how wide my eyes are. So I can't really do it on camera, so I'm going to do it off camera. I'm just basically seeing if I need to cut the band or if it's fine. Typically, sometimes I usually have to cut it, but yeah. So what I'm doing is I'm just like measuring my eye. It's a little long. I'm going to snip off just a little bit. So I'm using the scissor from our lash kit and just kind of trimming the extra, and I'm going to do so for the other lash. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to apply hair glue. It has like a little nozzle, but I don't like to use this because sometimes I squeeze out too much, and then too much glue on the lash, it ruins the band. And these lashes are good to wear for like 25 times or more, and if you have a really yucky band, they don't really last that long. So I try to use as minimal amounts of glue as possible. So what I typically do, I get the tweezer, and I typically just put like just a little on the back of like a tweezer. I'm not going to use the tweezers from the lash kit because I don't want to ruin them, but these are just some old tweezers that I have inside of my makeup kit. So I just kind of apply it lightly to the band, like so, and I let it sit so it gets tacky. I don't apply it while it's like really wet, because the lash doesn't stay on. It just creates a mess. Okay, so okay, so I have applied the glue. Now I'm going to take my eyelash applicator tweezers, and I'm just going to grab the lash like so. I don't want to add a little bit so it gets tacky. Sometimes I'll kind of like test it. Still a little moist. So what I do is I grab the corner of my eye and pull it taut like so, and apply. And I can't do this on camera, so I'm going to like look in the mirror to do this. Okay, so it's here. And just kind of bam. I'm just gonna squeeze a little to kind of have the adhesive adhere to my natural lashes for a better hold here. Okay, you get the eyelash curler. Again and do the same thing. I'm gonna try to do this lash on camera so it would look something like this. Goodness, you can barely see. I gotta do this off camera. I cannot. Ooh, I feel so cute. Look how pretty they are. These are the most dramatic lashes from our line. And I love them because okay, you guys get the point. If you're new to my channel, like and subscribe. Bye guys. Shorty have $1 million. Make you go to wire. I think they're on sale. Oh, I got hair in my mouth.